Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Baguio City. We're going to Burham Park. Uy, ganda ito. Shout out sa vlog. So we're walking today. Kasama po namin ang yung solution niya para sa sa mga sakit-sakit ng mga balakang. May dala siyang Ipikasen. Ito ang session.
Tawid tayo.
Session road ko
Ay, hindi na. Hindi yan.
Ayun, yung tawira, no?
Siya nga, oh.
Shoot train. Picture kita dyan, tayo. Cellphone mo. Picture kita?
Bumaba ko sa selfie.
Selfie?
Oo.
Selfie
Skip
na
ako
ka.
sa selfie.
Amo gajud. Amo gajud. Hi.
Ito tayong ganyan din.
Yeah. Dito pala yun. Dito kami guys sa Men's View Park.
Yes. Bababa kami. Okay. Tayo mo, Timay. Yan. Nandito daw sila. Yan.
Ano yung malalapit? Bago yung malalapit.
Yan yung papunta kay Apo Bang Odo.
Saan dyan? We're here at Camp John Hay. Mag-entrance tayo. Mateli ka dito. Okay guys, sa Tiger Surrender, it's a historical view of Camp John Hay. May zipline din siya, pero hindi na siya active. And guys, nandito kami sa Camp John Hay. Ang word of the day natin ngayon is excuse me, there's a line. Kasi po, kanina sasakay sana kami sa SM Baguio City. Kaso, hindi namin alam na may pila pala. And itong dalawa na to, nagmamadali silang umuwi kasi nahihilo na yung isa, tapos yung isa naman napapagod na yung kamay niya. Then after that, yun na nga, sinabi na nga nung babae kasi inunahan namin, ang sabi niya is, excuse me, there's a line, but there's an option. Never than fall in line. Praise the Lord! Kawawa naman to.
Time stood still, just like a photograph. You made me feel like this will last for.
Yan, hawakan nyo. Bili, sasama ko sa bag. Hawakan nyo. Yan, ganyan. Yan. Okay, sige, tama. Correct. Yan, and cut.
They say you know it when you know it, and I know.
Hello guys, so ayun, papunta kami ng Session Road at mag-aano kami, night market. Our OOTD for today and our madam, the best outfit for today. Pagod na kakalaa guys.
Putsik.
Cause of therapy. May arthritis.
That's yung part.
Grabe, ang damig.
Bye guys, update ako ulit mamaya.
Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've wasted. You were right there all along. You and I stargazing.
Guys, oh my god. Ano ibig sabihin ng oh my god?
Hindi ko alam.
Sirit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
My mind, when I'm around you, how I come alive. When I'm without you, I can't help but feel so lost. I wanna give you.
Oh, malayo na naman yan.
Hindi, ayan na ako. May ikaw.
Oh, they say you know it when you know it, and I know.
So yun guys, dito kami sa Session Road sa may night market. Waiting kami ng taxi for 10 taxi for today. Day 1 pa lang to
Suwan pa lang, wala na.
Day 1 pa lang, last pag
All this time I wasted. You were right there all along. You and I stargazing.
breakfast in Good Restaurant with my sisters in Good Days Restaurant. Amazing! Good Days is good and super yummy. Kain muna kami guys, so bye! Dito kami guys sa Bell Church, which is the Chinese location in Baguio. Going to up there and feeling nyo naman yan, baka pagod na yan. Guys, punta kami ng Dragon Castle, Baguio City. Punta kami ng Dragon Castle guys. Dun sa tuktok na yun, doon. Yan. Waiting sa mga kasama. Dito sa sakyan ng shuttle. Papunta guys. Ganda. Dragon Castle is under renovation pa siya. Ayan guys. Hindi ito natural natural stone yan. Ayan. Ito guys, pwede ka mag-rent ng costume doon. Tapos dito ka magpipictorial. And then ayan yung view ng Dragon Castle.
Galing mo. Wait lang, video.
Lagi may nakakita akong hidden gem yun. Nilusutan siya.
Uy!
Aray ko!
Oh, ayan. Yan, sige.